Okay, now we are here to solve the next sum. Okay, sum number 2. The question is as follows. I'll read the question, you can hear the question. Okay, yeah, the question is two tungsten bulbs of wattage 100 watts and 60 watt power work on 220 volt potential difference. तो दो चीज़ें हमें यहाँ से सीधी सीधी पता चल रही है, एंड दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग गिवन. ओके, as usual हमें ये आदत रखनी है. we have to write down the given part first. P1 value is given to us, okay, that is of 100 watts, right? The second thing which we know or which we come to understand the immediate moment, that is P2 value, power required by the second bulb, and that is given as 60 watts, right? And the potential difference which is given as 220 volts, right? इतनी चीज़ें हमें स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड पहले इसमें समझ में आ जाती है. सो इफ़ दे आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल, हाउ मच करंट विल फ्लो इन द मेन कंडक्टर इज बीन आस्क्ड. ओके, तो अगर इन्हें हम लोग पैरेलल में कनेक्ट करते हैं, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू इट. सो आई का वैल्यू हमें ढूंढना है. ओके, सो नाउ formula which is supposed to be there, what will be the formula that we'll be using here is P is equal to VI is the formula. Okay, what is the formula? P equals to VI, right? So solution, यहाँ पे total power सबसे पहले हमें निकालना होगा. We have to calculate the total power in the circuit, that is P, which is equal to P1 plus P2, correct? Which is equal to P1 का वैल्यू क्या है 100 प्लस P2 का वैल्यू है 60, which comes to be 160 watts, correct? This becomes the total power. Now we'll use the simple formula, that is P equals VI. इसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज कर सकते हैं हम लोग को I ढूंढना है, करेक्ट? सो I इज इक्वल टू P अपॉन V, करेक्ट? सिंपल इनफ. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज I इक्वल्स P का वैल्यू कितना है, कितना आया हमें 160, करेक्ट? डिवाइडेड बाई V, दैट इज 220, correct? So what do you get? I value. I value comes to be, you have to divide this part, okay, that is 8 upon 11 आता है, and further which comes to 0.72 amperes. Okay, so the full and final answer is 0.72 amperes. So you'll write it in wordings. The current flowing in the main conductor is 0.72 amperes and underline the answer part. या ऐसे दो बार आपको अंडरलाइन करना है जो आंसर होगा आपका. ओके, इन दिस वे यू हैव टू सॉल्व द सम. दिस इज द कंप्लीट सम. So this video is on sum number 2. My next video will be on the sum number 3. Okay, so do watch my next video. In that you will have the sum number 3. Okay.